here are the last three. We started 27, but I ran out of time. So here are the transactions for Wolfpack Shoe Company, and you need to record the transactions with a journal entry. So this is the first one. Remember, each journal entry has two accounts and a debit and a credit. Okay? Second one. And the third one. All right, here's number 28. Again, 3 transactions. And they want you to post these 2 T accounts. So you would be using 5 T accounts: cash, service revenue, supplies, accounts payable, and salaries expense. And then the last one, use the following information and prepare a trial balance. So here's that last one. I just changed the screen size so you could see all the words. So if you have questions about these, you can just email them to me and I'll do my best to answer them for you. You could also try to log directly into your Connect account and look at your ebook that way. You can log into Connect without logging into Blackboard. And if you are able to do that, you may be able to take the Test 1 review as it is on Connect. So give that a try. It should be your same login information that you used to log into Blackboard. All right, I hope that goes well for you, and I will see you Tuesday. Thanks, Jessie.